Uh-oh. Achoo!
Hamzah, remember, when we sneeze, we cover our nose and mouth like this. Like this! That's the Sunnah.
Alhamdulillah. Good job.
When someone says Alhamdulillah after sneezing, we say YarhamukAllah.
YarhamukAllah. Oh no, another one. Alhamdulillah. YarhamukAllah.
What do I say now? After someone says YarhamukAllah, you say Yahdikumullah wa yuslihu balakum.
Yahdikumullah wa yuslihu balakum.
Sneezing has a sunnah way too. Even sneezes can remind us of Allah.
Uh-oh. Tidy Sunnah.